In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share where you are traveling to on Facebook. So let's say you are traveling from Dubai to UK. How can you share this kind of post? Let's see. So just head over to the home page. If you're on the home page on your browser, just click on what's on your mind. And from here, you will see the check-in option and the feeling option. So normally people try to use the check-in option, but if you're traveling from one location to another, you can use the feeling activity here as well. So if you want to share the traveling activity, just go to activities here and just search for traveling to. So traveling to, just select that. And let's say I'm traveling to Dubai. Now this added that Saad Nadeem is traveling to this location. But if you want to share where you are traveling from, how can we do that? So for that, you can click on check-in and click on any location, for example, London airport, or just select London city. So as you can see that now the post is created traveling to Dubai from London city. If you want to change that, just click on that particular location and just change it to, let's say Oman. So let's change that. Click on next and then select the audience as public if you want to show it on public, and if you want to show it on your pages, you can post there as well. So let's click on post and let's see how it looks. So as you can see, now the post is created is traveling to Dubai from Oman, Muscat. So this is how you can create this post. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, just hit the like button. And if you want to learn more amazing tips and tricks on Facebook, you can check out the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you there.